Ever tried to pay a friend back but they don't have Venmo or Cash App? We've all been there. It's a bit awkward. But what if there was a way to send money instantly, for free, directly from your Capital One account? Well, there is. It's called Zelle, and if you have a Capital One checking account, you can use it right now without ever leaving the Capital One app. Zelle is a fast, safe, and easy way to send money to friends and family, and the best part is that it works with thousands of banks and credit unions across the U.S. So, how do you use it? It's incredibly simple. First, you'll need the Capital One mobile app. If you don't have it, you can download it from your app store. Once you're signed in, tap on your checking account. You should see an option that says Send Money with Zelle. Tap on that, and you'll be guided through a quick enrollment process if it's your first time. All you need is your U.S. mobile number or email address. After you're enrolled, sending money is a breeze. Just select the person you want to send money to from your contacts, or enter their phone number or email. You'll enter the amount, and you can even add a memo to remind them what the money is for. Then, you just review the details and hit send. The money is usually in their account in a matter of minutes, as long as they're also enrolled with Zelle. A couple of things to keep in mind. First, only send money to people you know and trust. A Zelle payment is like sending cash. It's nearly impossible to cancel once it's sent. Second, there are limits. Capital One generally has a daily Zelle limit of up to $3,000, but it's always a good idea to double-check the specifics for your account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.